Okay, so here's our last problem in this tutorial. We're going to put together everything that we've just learned to find the probability that when you toss 6 coins, you get 6 heads in a row. So we could go ahead and try to make an organized list of all the possible outcomes you could get with 6 coins, but this is going to take a really long time. So for this one, it might be easier to actually do out the math. So there's your first coin, your second coin, your third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. Go ahead. What's the probability for getting a head when you flip one coin? Well, there's one head out of 2 possible outcomes. So the probability of getting a head is 1/2. What's the probability of getting a head on your second flip? Well, it's still 1/2 because there's still one head out of 2 possible. And on the third flip, and on the fourth flip, and on the fifth flip, and on the sixth flip, it's still going to be 1/2 because there's one head out of 2 possible outcomes. So the probability of getting a head on each flip is 1/2, but the probability of getting them all together, every single one of these landing on a half, we have to multiply these probabilities together. And that will tell us the probability of it happening all the exact same time. So again, we're just going to multiply straight across. 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 times 1. And now we have to do 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Now be careful, this is not 2 times 6. The denominator here is not 12. You need to actually do out 2 times 2 times 2 more times 2 more to finish writing this final probability. And it's that simple. The probability of each individual event and then multiplied together to show that they all happened at the same time. So go ahead, you're that close. Finish the problem and then go ahead and rock your skill builder.